face in the firelight. I wonder how the fire started. Some people might call you pretty, but I'd call you broken hearted. I've got a map in my pocket that has your name written in blue. I'll follow you like a river if you just guide me through. Let's rent a car and drive it 1,000,000 miles away. Let's start a fire and survive it 1,000,000 miles away. Let's steal the sun and hide it 1,000,000 miles away. Let's find the storm and ride it 1,000,000 miles away. When I see you dance in the barlight, I wonder when the song will end. Some people might think you're graceful, but I think you're brittle and brown. And I've got a map in my pocket where every town is named for you. And I'll make a stop in all of them if you just guide me through. Let's rent a car and drive it 1,000,000 miles away. Let's start a fire and survive it 1,000,000 miles away. Let's steal the sun and hide it 1,000,000 miles away. Let's find the storm and ride it.
Damn, honestly, I should have brought my lawn chair. If I knew these boys were gonna hang out here for a while, brought my lawn chair. Got my tan on. But that rain cloud is definitely coming towards us. We definitely gotta seek shelter soon, boys. We don't want to be stuck back here. If this mud back here gets really wet, it's like clay. So yeah, I don't know how our truck will do if we get stuck. So pray for thy father. Yeah, there are people that come out here too. If you can see, there's some tire trucks that come around here. Some people skinny dip back here. Some people probably get it on back here, you know. But you know, in the old days, this was probably a place where to camp, where the Lakotas would camp at, do their laundry. They had running water, free of charge, no bills, don't even have to pay the water, utility. It's just right here, you know. Then I would assume up there would be where the horses would camp at, right up here. Horses would stay in the water and chill and drink water, and you know, it kind of gives, this area right here kind of gives like a 1800 vibes. Like you're away from civilization, you're away from no view of contact. You know, if the soldiers were coming or somebody was coming, they wouldn't even know this place exists. I could easily have a lodge like set up right here in Lakota Bay over here, sitting in the river doing my laundry, washing my loincloth that I only wash like once a month. The boys over here be doing their Lakota things, you know, like Dancing with Wolves style, and I'd just be up in here chilling in the pad, my teepee, nothing but my loincloth on, you know, laying on the buckskin or the buffalo robe, and telling the boys to go get dinner ready. Go up there, there's a deer up there, bring it home. Daddy's hungry. Hey, I'm just kidding. But no, for real though, man, this place seems pretty cool. Kind of letting the boys do their thing out here. Like right now, the river is like only like ankle deep. I could like easily walk across if I could. But yeah, we don't want to be down in the river when this place is actually flowing. If you guys can look in the distance, Creator is bestowing a great blessing upon us. There's a storm coming, and with that storm comes many blessings. You can hear the wakinas, the thunder beings. You can hear them coming like a rumbling of wild horses. So yeah, any minute, man, he should be here. They should be here. Creator's gonna bestow a great rainstorm upon us, but before it gets here, we'll be out of here. So also, Creator also talked to me last night in my dream. He's like, hey, wake up, time to get to the river, give some offering. So I already gave my taratin, so don't judge, don't be like, you guys shouldn't be playing in that river, it's all sacred. Don't say that. I mean, look at these tracks though. There's wolves out here apparently. Tell me that is a coyote or a wolf track, because that is huge. Paint me green, call me pickle. And obviously there was some mountain lion tracks up there. It like walked along the edge. And kid you not, I swear that we came across a black bear track, but I'm not sure if it's a black bear. Might be a skinwalker. Yeah, we just came a little bit up the river, and it's nice. Look at that. Damn. And then also the clouds, the storm is definitely getting closer. We did park the truck on the shoreline, so it is safe. So right now we're gonna get some drone action and we're gonna go check it out. Let's do this, y'all.
Little is really known about the American Indian, or what links their human soul with the earth. The Indians believed that this land was created for them by the Great Spirit, and that it would be theirs forever. The New World. This is what the white man called our land, but it was not new at all. The red man, inhabitants of America for centuries.
Dang, you know what's going through my mind right now? Just like I said, this is definitely giving me some 1800 vibes. Like I definitely could see Grandpa Roger in a buckskin coming down the river on a horse. And he's like, hey, son-in-law, buffaloes are coming and the storm is coming. Gather the horses and make sure they're tied down. the storm's gonna scare them away. So I could definitely see myself definitely gathering up the horse herds while Lakota Bay and her mom and the boys take shelter and stake everything down to the ground really good, so when the wind comes and the storm comes a howling, yeah, I don't know, man. I've watched a lot of Dances with Wolves. I'm definitely getting I'm just getting that kind of vibe right now. Stay tuned, y'all. Let's get going. Thunder Valley. We just made it home. Our boys are still awake. They're on my phone and the iPad, so yeah, we're home now. The clouds are still coming in, and Lakota Bay is chefing up. She's up in the kitchen doing Lakota Bay things. Yep, looks beautiful out here. We got all the neighbors are out and about. Usually like to drive slow and scan out their place and see what everybody's up to. Neighborhood watch, Navajo style. That's how us Navajos get down. John's. Nosy, y'all.